Hi guys, padungi si Leo guys. Kuyog na ako si Vicky. So after there's an accident here.
Motorcycle accident. Oh no.
What did the traffic? So may aksidente, may traffic kayo. So padungi si Leo. So after 2 years, babe. After 2 years,
December
visit siya balik sa city.
December 2023. Not even 2 years.
Almost 2 years. So, visit ni Miss Burns o ng Ma'am Norma. So, see you later.
Hey guys, we're back. I just finished seeing Miss Burns and
Miss Norma. Again.
I already heard you say that.
Again.
It's been fun.
I will edit it. You fix your hair, right?
My hair's not giving right now, but it's fine. We're about to eat good food right now. Let's go.
You check him na siya.
Wala na?
Wala. Say hi lang. Wala siya ka-remember. Muhay do daw siya, miss. Wala siya ka-remember ni mo, girl. Say hi do daw siya, miss Sid. Ni-visit na siya, miss.
Okay, well, now we're going to El Corso, where I've never been at. I'm so tired. Why are you taking video? Sun. Sun is so bright.
Okay. So, ang plano na mo, mag-SM raw tami, SM City Cebu. Nganong po, naabot mi diri sa El Corso. Gusto daw si Mickey, masoroy diri, wapala siya ka visit. So, akong gidala diri. Mick, look at there, the view, Mick, the beach. Nice kay diya. Oh, there's Sangyup there, oh. Korean there. Oh. Hi, Mickey! Nice view. Kanindot sa view ay landong. Hangin kay dari. Gitor na akong Amerikana dari. Wala pa rin siya kaari. Bis SM rata mi city. Nabot ni El Corso kay. Wala po na siya ka-ari daw. Careful, Mick, ha? Nice. I'll take photo with you, Mick. I'll take your photo. There. Uy, asamang ka, diara.
That's so nice.
Where?
Being in there.
You want to sit there?
Yeah.
Take
I know you
photo?
have to eat.
Instagram?
We have to eat.
Are we allowed to sit there and take photo? Maybe we're not allowed because you need to be a customer. Where are we, Mick? Where are we? Where are we?
El Corso.
Woo, beach! I haven't gone to the beach for 1 year now.
Really?
Yeah, the last time I went take a dip sa beach guys, during my mama's birthday. We did go to the beach during my papa's birthday, but I did not take a dip sa beach.
Why?
Because I'm busy cooking.
Oh.
So we're walking our way, going to, where are we going, Nick?
New Star.
New Star. Fit check. Oh, we're all wearing shoes. So we are allowed to enter and we're above the legal age. So we can get inside.
What's the age?
18.
Oh, yeah.
Minors are not allowed to get inside.
Why?
So we're allowed. I don't know.
Oh.
We cannot see the sunset here. Hi guys, we're at El Corso. So I will be Mickey's tour guide for today.
You've been my tour guide for today.
So now we're going to New Star. Let's go, Mickey. Follow me.
Da-da-da, guys.
New Star. The one with the taxi. Go! Go! Wait! Wait! No! Hey! Prepare. Follow me. Napali na. Yes. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl.
Guys.
Pretending to be rich. It's my first time looking or visiting a luxury store. No, not visiting. Roaming around sa luxury. Bulgari. Is this? Oh yeah. This still second floor, ni?
No, it's third.
Third, ni?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Go upstairs, ata. Huh? So many three, girl.
Then why did he say?
Level 3. Food hall. Peri-peri, Rose Pharmacy. Go upstairs. Go lang, go lang. Sangita, Jimmy. We don't know what level good leader go. Oh, this is the one?
Yeah. Oh, look, there's time zone.
Huh?
There's time zone.
Very hot here, Mickey, eh? Very hot.
I know.
There's no food man here. Ah, there, that's Japanese man. Okay, we're done roaming around the city. We're going to SM City now to eat our dinner. Finally, we haven't
So
eaten since
like-
lunch. Lunch ba, Mickey?
No, that was snack.
Huh?
Jollibee was a snack.
Yeah, snacks only. We only eat snacks. Now we're going to SM City Cebu for dinner. Did you enjoy the travel, Mickey?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Put this in your memories. Let's go, Mick. So many.
Okay, no more ordering food. No more ordering food. Because I'm slowly getting full, so no more ordering food. No more ordering food because I'm slowly getting full. Yes, no more ordering food. Because this is a lot. I'm like, damn, you ordered a lot.
There's a fiscal biryani.
Which one? Which one?
This one, taste it. It's yummy. Take a bite.
Girl, you can't even see me.
My phone is more like you. No.
I was about to eat rice, but I'm not trying to.
It's good, it's good.
I think you're full.
Yeah. 30 plates.
We ate 30 plates?
30 plates.
Jesus Christ.
But skinny. So thin.
I know, but
One
still.
bite only. Miss pa off na. one slice is one bite only.
Ugh. So short.
Go, Mickey.
Go, ate.
You can do it.
You can do
You
it
can
too.
do this.
Could you have one of me? We can do this, guys.
You can do this.
Here's the sweat. How long
Time
have we-
check.
How long we have?
That's good. Almost 1 hour.
The limit is 3 hours,
Yeah.
but we're not gonna be
But
here for
usually I stay 2 hours here.
a new record
Yeah.
because of me.
Even me and Drake, we stayed 2 hours.
I wish we had this in America.
You don't have like this in America?
Oh, it's so boring.
Maybe in New York like that.
I've been to New York.
There's none?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
There's a Koreatown there.
Okay.
In your house lang. Smile, Mickey. Dream come true. Chowking na lang, wala pa ni mamakuhan sa bucket list.
Oh, my stomach.
No, I did not say that today we'll eat chowking. Uy.
Okay, good. Wait, what do you mean?
Yeah, only chowking, wala na mo ma-check sa bucket list ni mo sa imong vacation.
Yeah, because I'm tired. My stomach is about to explode.
Mickey's order. So, nanamis pagsabungan guys. Padong kami uli.
She rubbed my
Nagawian
energy.
mi.
You're who rubbed
Well,
my energy.
we go around 3 p.m. We go home. We arrive in Pagsabungan 9 p.m. So 6 hours mi naglaro-laro sa kadalanan. Nag-travel sa city. Bye guys.
Bye.
Good night.